I am the maintainer. My favorite season is spring, not only because I'm a May baby, but also because for a very brief moment of the year is when all the tree flowers emerge from the trees. On my Spotify playlist, I have everything that you could ever imagine. I love all music. I've been to multiple concerts. My favorite concert by far was Bob Seger. I took my mom there for Christmas one year, and it was just so much fun. Favorite part of my job is having the freedom to travel, being able to hit play on my Spotify. Also love meeting all the clients and their dogs. My favorite movie is Step Up with Channing Tatum. Doctor Strange is my favorite superhero because I really like the concept of the movie being that he is shedding his ego, reorienting the spirit to better heal the body. I have a really strong intuition and sense of design, eye for design and detail, and I love when clients offer me coffee. I always say yes.